Okay, so ratio problems. Let's do question 1. In a class, the ratio of boys to girls is 3 to 5. If there are 24 boys, how many girls are there? So the ratio of boys to girls, that's 3 to 5. So we can say 3 to 5 is equivalent to 24 boys to how many girls? And we want to know how many girls there are. So we can say, we can do our cross multiply, right? 3 times girls equals to 5 times 24, okay? The first thing we want to do is simplify. So we find what we can divide on each side, yes? 3 can be divided by 3, so we can get rid of that. And 3 can also be divided by in 24, right? So it's 8. So therefore the girls is just 5 times 8, which equals 40, okay? So let's try another question. It says, Henry makes concrete by mixing sand and cement in the ratio of 3 to 4. If a mix of concrete contains 12 kilograms of cement, find the amount of sand in the mix. So we know that 3 to 4, that's the ratio of concrete to sand. So sand to cement, sorry, which is equivalent to the ratio of 3 to 4, right? Can we see that? So we know that cement is 12, so we can also say sand to 12 is equivalent to the ratio of 3 to 4, right? So again, we just do the cross multiply of equivalent ratios. So sand times 4 equals to 12 times 3, yes? And again, we can simplify that even further with 4 and 12. We can cross that. 4 divided by 4 is just 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3, okay? So therefore sand is 3 times 3, which is 9 kilograms, all right? So we've answered the question, 9 kilograms. It also asks for the total mass of the mix. So the total mass of concrete is just cement plus sand, okay? So it's just 12 plus 9 kilograms that we just got from this answer there. The answer is 21 kilograms. All right? So let's try and do question 3. It says, in a triangle, the length of the sides are in the ratio. So a ratio of 3 to 4 to 5. Okay? If the longest side is 20 centimeters, find the perimeter of the triangle. So let's have a diagram of a triangle here. We know that this side, the longest side, that's 20, okay? So that's 20 right there. So first of all, we should write the ratio, okay? The ratio. We've got 3 to 4 to 5. That's equivalent to x to y to 20, right? So we can see here 20, we're given the equivalent ratio in 5, right? So we have to know what times 5 times what makes 20, yeah? The answer is 4, okay? So we can times 5 times 4, that'll equal 20. So we have to do it to here and to here as well, right? So then we get this. We get 12 to 16 to 20 is equivalent to the ratio of x to y to 20, okay? So the question doesn't ask what is x and y, so we can just put it in the diagram, yeah? So 12, so we can get rid of that. 12 is this length over here, and we can put 16 to that length, right? So it says, find the perimeter of the triangle. Now the perimeter, remember, is just the total sum of all the sides of a shape. So we can say that the perimeter equals to 12 plus 16 plus 20, okay? So the answer is 48 centimeters.